Take a walk in nature, and find yourself immersed in a fantastic kaleidoscope of pattern and order. Trees, plants, rocks, clouds, nests, lichen, blades of grass, animals, crystals, snowflakes, sun and moon overhead, each and all forming a delightful geometric pattern, gleaming with an air of coherence and beauty. Nature's able to perpetuate her magnificent symphony of creation because she's implanted a common design in her very creative process. A process rooted in centers, which, through the powerful fields emanating from their surfaces, raise their surroundings into the mighty center-oriented patterns we see streaming throughout the universe. Their symmetric form provides just the right organizational compactness for nature's creations to endure and thrive as they do. It's no surprise nature's primary forms all adopt the center-oriented shapes of spheres, spirals, radials, branching systems, and others. Circles and spheres make up suns, planets, dinner plates, balls, and wheels. Their perfect, 360-degree symmetry speaks of the inherent, aesthetic appeal of center-oriented designs. The conical sections of ellipses, parabolas, and hyperbolas define many physical phenomena. For instance, conical sections match the path traced by planetary orbits, and balls flying overhead. They're also the shape of satellite dishes, gravity wells, and echo chambers. The wheels within wheels arrangement of concentric circles can be found in the growth patterns of teeth, fruits and vegetables, mandalas, as well as Saturn's rings. They're also in the arrangement of sporting arenas, the cross-section of trees, and waves spreading radially outward from rock thrown in a pond. Spirals are ubiquitous in nature as sunflowers, shells, galaxies, ram's horns, crashing waves, the heart's aeratora, and ear's cholera. The magic of spirals can also be found in emotions, rates of growth and decay, and the strange attractors of chaos theory. Nature, biology, and man's creations are jam-packed with arterial branching systems. Trees, leaves, lungs, veins, arteries, skeletal systems, roots, rivers, family trees, organizational charts, parking lots, computer directory systems, and highway systems, are all shaped in branching forms. Radial patterns are abundant in nature. For example, most of the known 300,000 plant species have some degree of radial configuration. Other examples include roulette wheels, dartboards, the flow of goods from distribution hubs, jewelry designs, spider webs, flowers, starfish, and internet connectivity diagrams. Cluster shapes are reflected in the heavens as beautiful globular clusters, and the bunching of stars near galactic centers. It's how swarms of insects bunch about food, and why sporting events organize about central balls. It's also how populations bunch near city centers, and antibodies attack invading viruses. Purchase the Centerpath papers to find out more about center-oriented patterns. See the Centerpath Encyclopedia to find out more just how many center-oriented patterns are in nature and our lives.